How are you? Today I'm gonna show you how to use radio buttons. So let's start. Make a new project. Let's give our application name radio button. Then next, empty activity, and then finish. So guys, as you can see, our project is ready for coding. So come to on our XML part, that is activity underscore main.xml part. Here come down to design part. So we don't want this text view, so just simply delete it. Come on to this widget area on the left side. So over here, okay, see, let's first take a text view over here. Just drag and drop a text view and do some changes like um, select your favorite fruit. Okay, after that, come on to that design part and over here simply first take this radio group and then take out radio buttons, one or two or as much as you want for your coding. I will take um, three buttons. Okay, now just change this height to wrap content instead of match parent and check out the others, width and height, wrap content, yeah, all are perfectly good. Now give the ID to this radio group ID, and the ID will be radio group fruit. Okay, so let's give name to our radio buttons. Let's say apple, and then to the other one will be mango, or to the last one let's say grapes. Okay, so according to this, change your IDs also of your radio button if you want to change your ID. Otherwise there is no problem to change the ID because Android will automatically generate the IDs of all these buttons, as you can see this. So I'll set this to RD radio button to button UTTON underscore apple. Then to the other one will be RD button underscore mango, and to our last radio button RD button underscore grapes. So let's check our design part how it looks. Yeah, as you can see, I think you must not be able to see this clearly. Wait a second, I'll do something for you guys. Settings, and over here, no, no, no. Yeah. I'm on the right time. Fonts. What happened? I don't know. Okay, leave it. I'll do another thing for you. As you can see, apple, mango, grapes, and over here it is written select your favorite fruit. So do some changes over here also. Give the layout gravity to center, and let's check how it look like. Yeah, it's perfectly almost good. And then let's say layout gravity over here to center to make our text center into center. So change this width to wrap content. So you can see our text are in the center part now over here, and we can do some more changes like color, our text color, Android, and then the color black. What happened? So guys, you can see our XML part is almost ready. Come on to our class main activity, that is, mm, let's take a widget radio group and create its object. I will create its object same as its ID, that is radio group fruit, and paste it over here. Now find the ID of this radio group fruit is equals to find view by ID r dot id dot r radio group fruit and cast it into radio group. So to do some click action, we have to set its clickable listener, that is radio group fruit dot set on check change listener, that is here. Now we will create its anonymous object, new control plus space, that is on check change listener, as you can see. Now uh, to make a single click action on each radio button, we will find a radio button over here, radio button, that is give create its object radio button is equals to uh, we will find its ID that is group dot find view by id, that is checked id. Okay, so now it is showing some error. mm, Cast and write to button. Okay, it is showing a cast error. So now create a toast. Let's say you select radio button dot get text. Whatever radio button you will select, it will get its id over here in this radio button through get text method, and it will be displayed in a toast with this your selected message. Okay, so let's do some more in this. Come on to our activity main part, xml class, xml file. Over here behind below the radio group, take a button also, the let's say match parent, and its height will be wrap content, and text will be refresh. Okay, and give its id btn underscore refresh. Copy this and come on to our main activity class. Over here take a button, create its object, that is button refresh. Now over here find our button, let's find view by id and say return r dot id dot button refresh and cast it into button widget. Okay, so do some more. We will after, if we want to refresh our radio button, so we will do this action on our button click, button refresh dot set on click listener new. We will create its anonymous object, that is control plus space on click listener. Over here we will find a radio button again, that is radio button. Sorry, let's say radio group dot clear check. Okay, whatever radio button you have been selected in the following radio buttons, it will clear all the radio buttons. So our coding part is also completed, or you can say is almost completed. Just have a look on it. We have finded our button and radio group, and we are generating our toast. So now I'm gonna run this app through my USB cable in my Android mobile. Now it is still not showing my device. Why? I don't know. Now it is showing that my device Motorola. Now I will click on OK, and within few seconds our Android project will be ready, or you can say our Android app will be ready. Oh, sorry guys, there is some problem in our app. It is showing some error. This is the error over here. Um, our button is not working. So the error is this: we have to we haven't clear, we are not checking our radio button that it is null or not. We don't get, we are not getting its ID. For that we have to make a condition over here. If null not equals to radio button and checked ID is greater than -1, then generate a toast. Okay, now, and we can do this also over here. If our radio button is default selected, so it will clear all our radio buttons over here. Just check, clear check. So I'll simply run my app. So now our project is ready, and within a few seconds our app will be ready for testing. So guys, as you can see, our app is ready. So now I'm gonna click on apple. You select apple. Now I'm gonna click on mango, then on grapes, and then I'm gonna click on again on mango. You select mango. Now I want that my the radio button which I have selected has been removed or cleared. I don't want any of my radio button has been selected, that is apple, mango or grapes. So I just simply click on refresh button and it will unchecked all the radio buttons. So just simply I can click again on apple. Let's say you selected apple. So guys, if you like our video, do subscribe, share and like. Thank you.